local business owners, here's the truth most people don't realize. Buying more IT tools will not fix your IT problems because tools don't create stability, a system does. Most small businesses are running on a mix of apps, devices, and a call someone when it breaks support. And even if you've invested in software and security, without a proactive plan tying it all together, you're still exposed to downtime, data loss, and cyber threats. That's why the Miller Group exists. We replace reactive IT with a complete managed system. We monitor everything 24/7 to prevent interruptions. We lock down security with layered protection that stops modern threats. We back up and test recovery so your business can bounce back fast. We support your team in real time with local experts. And we create a technology roadmap so your IT decisions are intentional, not rushed. The result? Fewer disruptions, stronger security, better performance, and a business that can grow without tech holding it back. So if you're tired of constant tech issues and ready for reliable, secure IT that actually helps you grow, click the link below, book your call, and let's build the IT system your business deserves.